can be better than a strawberry dessert in summer. Only a sticky strawberry stress reliever which can be shared with a friend. Here's the recipe of a giant strawberry entertainment. Superglue 2 big sponges. Make another identical detail. Shape a block. Attach 2 sponge details using double-sided tape. Cut a strawberry shape out of the block and separate the 2 parts. Roll out red soft clay and wrap it around each half of the strawberry. Snip off the excess and smooth out the joining. Shape drops from yellow soft clay. Attach them to the strawberry to imitate the seeds. Shape leaves from green soft clay and attach them on top. Mix stationery glue and red acrylic paint. Add contact lens solution. Put in a little baking soda. Mix to get the slime. Pour it out between the 2 halves of the strawberry. You can stretch, squeeze, and knead this strawberry dessert without being afraid to spoil it. And while others are busy cooking strawberry jam, we're calming down with the big strawberry slime. It is so soft, bright, and stretchy that I don't want to share it. I take the strawberry and run away. Summer day! Cooling fruit milkshake is exactly what I need, but the grass is always greener on the other side, and my friend's drink looks mysterious. That's some kind of secret recipe. Dolly opens up the cap and the drink doesn't pour out. The milk foam stays at its place, and the drink is so thick, but it becomes crystal clear that this is not a milkshake when my friend pulls it out with her hand. We will need an empty milkshake cup. Mix stationery glue with purple pigment. Stir. Add liquid laundry detergent and mix it to make slime. Put it in the bottom of the cup. This is the first layer of the milkshake slime. Mix equal amounts of white glue and stationery glue for the second layer. Add the pigment. Pour in the detergent and make slime of a pale shade. Add a little glitter. Put the second layer of the milkshake slime into the cup. Mix white glue and the detergent for the top layer. Make the slime and put it into the cup. Smooth out the edges with a stick. The milkshake with foam is ready. Take the milkshake out of the cup and stretch it out in different directions. They say food is not a toy, but how can we miss an opportunity to play with this milkshake? It's just jumping into our hands. And while my friend got carried away with the milkshake slime, I can drink her real milkshake sneakily. She is so deep into it that she doesn't notice anything. At last, the blue-eyed girl sees that her real milkshake has disappeared mysteriously. Oops, it's because of my friend. The distracting slimes worked. Vicky chooses a great angle for a photo, but apparently someone had a lot to eat during the holidays. It's time to get my act together and get fit as fast as possible, but regular pillows definitely won't help me with it. Vicky is ready to sink into depression, but her friend appears with an interesting balloon in her hands. It's a big stress ball, and it will put you into a good mood. Pour silicate stationery glue into a big container and squeeze out a bit of shaving foam. Mix it. Add acrylic paint and liquid washing product, Persil color gel. Mix it thoroughly to get a slime consistency and add glitter. Cut a big plastic bottle and make a funnel. Pull a big balloon onto the neck of the bottle and put the slime in it. Tie the balloon. Vicky really likes the balloon. It feels like some kind of magical mass when you touch it. She has already come up with an idea on how to use it. You may use this stress ball for a workout, like ab exercises, and lift it instead of dumbbells. This is how a stress ball turns into a fitness ball, because working out reduces stress too. The bigger the muffin, the less the stress. Apply brown toner to a sponge. Use gloves while working to protect your hands from being colored. Put the sponge in water, spreading the paint evenly. Wait until dry. Attach 4 identical sponges, 2 at a time, and cut out a muffin shape. Make soft clay glaze. Attach some cotton on top. It looks like whipped cream. Make a cherry from air-dry clay. Shape a stalk hole. Put in a piece of wire. Cover the stalk with the air-dry clay and fasten it to the cotton top. Tie a ribbon around the muffin and hot glue. You can't be afraid of the stress with such a big muffin. You can squeeze and crumple it. The only problem is that my friend wants it too, and she swipes my stress sweet. I will have to follow her around the entire park. So what? Active jogging helps produce endorphins, reducing the stress. So after such a workout, and the soft muffin will get much quieter. Samantha leaves a big bucket with a yummy unattended. She shouldn't have done that. The blue-eyed girl immediately hears Milky Way calling her name. Let's arrange a feast for my stomach. But it turns out that this chocolate spread is not normal at all. It's suspicious that it stretches out when you take it with a spoon. Samantha comes just in time. You don't take this Milky Way with a spoon, you take it with your hands. Take 2 containers with stationery glue. Squeeze out shaving foam and add brown acrylic paint. Pour in some liquid laundry detergent and mix it. Knead the chocolate slime. Add shaving foam and laundry detergent to the other container. Mix white slime. Take a big plastic bucket. Cover the lid with blue acrylic paint. Paint the rim of the bucket the same way. Put layers of chocolate and white slime inside. Close the lid. And attach a big Milky Way label to the lid and to the bucket. This giant slime looks like an actual double-colored chocolate spread, but its task is to calm our hands down and not our stomachs. It doesn't leave any traces in the kitchen, unlike actual chocolate. You can poke and squeeze it and quickly put it back into the bucket. This chocolate spread will bring you a ton of fun and 0 calories. Blue-eyed girl is busy with her favorite hobby. She's choosing the best angle for her selfie. Samantha is sick and tired of her friend's selfie passion. She will cheer herself up with a bag of Skittles. But no candy can hide from the blue-eyed girl's sharp eyes. And if Samantha isn't willing to share, then it's time to use some rainbow magic. Let's use a gigantic filter on the Skittles. It's Maxi Anti-Stress Skittles now. Cover a thermal bag with spray paint. Off the side seams and the handle. Attach a big Skittles label to the center. Mix cornstarch with clear stationery glue. Add acrylic paint. Pour in some liquid laundry detergent. Mix the slime. Sprinkle it with baking soda so that it doesn't stick. Make bright slimes by adding different colors of paints. Put stripes of slime inside the thermal bag. And hot glue the bag.
The blue-eyed girl takes a real rainbow from the bag, and it's endless. This is the most rainbow slime in the universe. You can feel like a rainbow queen. Try stretching it into different directions. Mix the colors, and they will still be bright. You can even leave your rainbow fingerprints. It's such a pity that it's not edible. Christy's life is in the phase of self-education. She is trying to bring her studying schedule in order, and her neighbor Stevie is in the phase of destroying his eardrums. Poor girl! She is tired of fighting this goblin party, so she comes up with a musical stress reliever. Cut out a window in a piece of pipe insulation. Attach a piece of net on top. Mix some hair gel with slime glue. Pour in some gel laundry detergent. Add some borax. Mix slime. Add bouillon beads to it. Put the slime into 2 clear jars. Add some shining balls. Attach foam rubber sheet circles with button signs onto the caps. Put the jars into both sides of the base. Christy brings her giant loudspeaker and takes shining slime boxes out of it. It's so satisfying to dip your fingers into soft slime. It calms you down right away. Plus, it calms down your neighbor. He doesn't want to listen to destructive music anymore. This slime therapy brought harmony into his life. Now they both stretch soft, shining, glittering slimes. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new giant gadgets on Troom Troom.